There's no better way to see a railroad than by riding the front of the train, and in our Cab Ride on the Indiana Railroad series, you can do just that. Ride on board a 1.5 mile long coal train from the power plant near Newton, Illinois to Terre Haute, Indiana. In the first part, Newton to Riverton, you'll ride through the farm country of eastern Illinois right to the border with Indiana at the Wabash River. In the second part, Riverton to Terre Haute, our train passes through the Indianapolis, Midland, and Chicago subdivisions and the busiest part of the line with CTC. For the other train in the series, you'll ride the SAHW Manifest train. In the first part, we go from downtown Indianapolis to just south of the settlement of Fruitdale. See the line as it transitions from urban to flat farmland and then start up the hills of southern Indiana. In the Fruitdale to Swit City segment, climb through the hills and pass over the two signature bridges on the line, the Shuffle Creek Viaduct and the Richland Creek Viaduct, also known as the Tulip Trestle. In each program, you'll enjoy the view from several cameras that we had mounted on the trains. In addition to the views, you'll enjoy the natural sound from the microphones carefully placed on the outside of the train. You'll really feel like you're on board. Enjoy this rare ride on board real freight trains and get all 4 parts of Cab Ride on the Indiana Railroad today.